हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ ऑरेंज कलर नवरात्रि का मेकअप लुक विच इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इन डेप्थ एंड स्टेप बाय स्टेप। इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी seen many of my videos, you know that this is a series going on for Navratri. So let's begin. So first I will start with my eyebrows और उसके लिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ Forever 52 का जेल लाइनर in the shade 8 और पैक का ब्रश यूज़ करूँगी मैं 372. So I'm just filling in where I think it is required to fill in. और फिर एक स्पूली ब्रश से मैं इसे कोम कर लूँगी ताकि जो भी एक्सेस प्रोडक्ट है वो रिमूव हो जाए और हेयर्स भी थोड़े से कोम हो जाए. And then I'm taking Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer in the shade 005 and I will be cleaning my eyebrow with this and will use it as a eyeshadow base as well. And for this I'm using PAC 205 brush. I am using PAC Beauty Blender to blend this. Here I am using Forever 52 Expressive 35 color eyeshadow palette and I am going to take this orange shade. I will be using an eyeshadow applicator brush which is dense enough to even blend the eyeshadow. Dabbing motion में मैं इसे entire lid पे लगा रही हूँ. पाउडर से मैंने कंसीलर को सेट नहीं किया था बिकॉज आई शेडो इज़ ऑल्सो अ पाउडर, तो साथ में सेट भी हो जाएगा और पिगमेंटेशन भी ज़्यादा अच्छी मिलेगी. अब इसी ब्रश से मैं क्रीज को ब्लेंड करूँगी. Then I'm taking PAC 163 small blending brush to blend it further. क्रीज को थोड़ा और डेप्थ देने के लिए मैं ये शेड यूज करूंगी एंड आई यूज द सेम ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश. Now I'm taking Forever 52 Magnificent Eyeshadow Palette in the shade 004 and I will be taking this beautiful shimmery orange shade और इसे मैं पूरी लिड पे अप्लाई करूंगी. I'll use my finger for maximum payoff. एजेस को मैं ब्लेंड कर लूंगी. Here I am using Revolution Glitter Palette and I'll be taking Passion, which is a beautiful orange color. For precise application, I will use a flat brush and this is a glitter which does have glue inbuilt in it, so you don't have to add further. Now to deepen up my crease further, I am taking this darker shade from the same Forever 52 palette and I'll use dabbing motion to apply it. Now I'm taking this orange shade again and will blend the edges. Now to highlight my eyebrows and inner corner, I will be using Sugar highlighter in the shade 01 Champagne Champion and I will be applying it using a sponge brush. Eyeliner में यूज़ कर रही हूँ Faces का इंक लाइनर. Let me quickly complete the other eye makeup as well. So I'm starting with the base makeup and I will first moisturize my face. For that I'm using Pond's Light Moisturizer. और लिप बाम में यूज कर रही हूँ वेट एंड वाइल्ड का इन द शेड लव. Now I'm using smoothing primer from Sugar. To cover up the dark circle, I will be taking this orange corrector from Forever 52 Concealer Wheel, which is in the shade 3. Using a flat brush, I will be applying it. Now to cover up some light pigmentation, I will be taking this yellowish concealer from the same concealer wheel and I will apply it with the same brush, but this time I have removed the orange concealer from it and then I'm applying it. फिर इसी ब्रश से मैं इसे थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्लेंड करते जा रही हूँ. Now to set this color correction, I will be using Maybelline Loose Powder in the shade 20 and I'll apply it using a brush from Forever 52 in the number 43. I am using Sugar Stick Foundation in the shade number 10. I will blend this foundation using PAC 231 foundation brush. Now I'm using the beauty blender to grab the excess product. Now this foundation works best with the foundation brush, but because it's a stick foundation, I don't want this to get cakey. So I'm going to grab a beauty blender to grab any excess foundation which is sitting on my face. Here I am using L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 314 and with a beauty blender I will blend this. I don't prefer to use foundation underneath my eyes because it causes more crease line than a concealer. Now before proceeding ahead, I will first set my under eyes ताकि कोई भी fine lines ना पड़े and I am using the same Maybelline Loose Powder here with the same brush. फेस कॉन्टूरिंग के लिए मैं यूज कर रही हूँ कैट्रिस कॉस्मेटिक्स का ट्रायंगल आर्टिस्ट कॉन्टूर स्टिक. Today I'll be trying out a liquid blush from Flower which is in the shade Cinnamon. I'll take this on back of my hand and then warm it up a bit. Then apply it to highest points of my cheeks. Then I'll take this on the beauty blender. Okay, it's looking nice. So it's a cheek tint, इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा loud color इसका नहीं है. It's nice, very subtle and natural. I'm not sure if I will be satisfied with this. So let's see. Now let's try out a jelly highlighter from Sugar in the shade 01. Since it is a liquid formulation, I will apply it now before setting my entire face. I'll dot it first and then blend with my fingers. Wow. I hope it does not give patches क्योंकि अंडर आइज पे पाउडर लगाया हुआ है मैंने, बट इट्स लुकिंग स्टनिंग। आई गेस पाउडर के ऊपर भी ये लग सकता था, लाइक आफ्टर सेटिंग द एंटायर फेस, बट मुझे रिस्क नहीं लेना था, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम अप्लाइंग इट नाउ एंड द टाइनीस्ट अमाउंट ऑन माय नोज। Now I will be setting my entire face using the Maybelline loose powder, and this time I am taking a bigger fluffier brush, that is Pro Art 06. To bronze up my face, I am using this shade from Faces Canada Face Palette in the shade Glow, and I will apply this using Pack 245 brush. For nose, I am taking the smallest blending brush. For blusher, I am taking Gorgeous Girl Matte Finish Powder Blusher, and there is this third shade here which I am going to use, which is kind of peachish and orangish shade. I am taking the same brush which I used to bronze my face. It is very pigmented, so I am taking my time to blend this. Even after setting the face, we can see the highlighter, but I still want to use one. So I will be using here Sugar highlighter in the shade 01 Champagne Champion, and I will apply this using my fingers. It gives you very subtle sort of highlighted effect. It's not too much. So yes, I like it too. Who doesn't like highlighter, by the way? I'll take this orange shade जो मैंने crease पे लगाया था, and I will apply it using a small blending brush from Pro Art, that is PE29. And then I will connect it here, ऊपर वाले eyeshadow से. Now I'm using Pack 163 blending brush, और नीचे जो मैंने shade लगाया है उसे blend करूँगी. Closer to lash line लगाऊँगी इसे. And I will use Pack 382 brush, साथ में blend भी करते जाऊंगी. Now I will be using NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade 01 and will apply it to my waterline. I will complete the eye makeup using Nykaa Like It Long mascara to my lower lashes. And lastly, I'm going to use makeup setting spray from Color Essence. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed watching it. Let me know in comment section what do you think about this beautiful makeup look. I hope you have liked it. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel and मिलते हैं मेरी अगली वीडियो में. Bye bye.